In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Morgen AI for a more efficient and personalized scheduling experience. As we all know, organizing our day-to-day tasks can be a challenge. But the good news is that Morgen AI streamlines this process with a smart AI planner. Let's dive into how you can set it up and make the most of its features. First, you'll want to configure your preferences for AI scheduling. Start by navigating to the Preferences, where you'll find the AI Planner menu. Here, you get the chance to customize various aspects of your schedule. For instance, you can set a default task duration for those times when you haven't specified how long a task should take. This can be particularly helpful in maintaining consistency. Additionally, Morgen AI suggests inflating your time estimates by about 20%. This is a great way to counteract the planning fallacy, which is a common tendency to underestimate how long tasks actually take. Further, you can adjust the number of breaks you'd like throughout your workday, as well as define how long your work sessions should be. It's also possible to split larger tasks across multiple frames, which ensures they aren't overwhelming and are more manageable. Once you've tailored these settings to your liking, it's time to run the AI Planner. Within the app, you'll notice an AI Planner button, which you can click to get started. If you're working within a specific frame, there's an option to start AI planning right there. Initiating this feature brings up a preview mode, where you'll see the proposed schedule laid out. This often includes a visual indication, like pulsating tasks in your calendar, making it easy to spot new additions. Now, let's talk about reviewing and refining this suggested plan. Just because AI proposed, it doesn't mean it's set in stone. You have full flexibility to make adjustments. Feel free to manually drag tasks into different time slots or delete and ignore certain entries that might not suit your priorities. You can even resize task durations to better fit your real-world requirements. There are helpful sliders and controls within the menu that allow you to tweak various settings, such as how far into the future your plan should extend or how frequently breaks should occur. After refining and fine-tuning the schedule according to your needs, it's time to approve and lock it in. You do this simply by clicking Schedule All, which commits your new plan into both your calendar and task list. On the flip side, if the proposed plan isn't to your liking, you can easily exit the mode by canceling. This action will reset your calendar to its previous state, so you never lose control over your time management. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your planning and enhances productivity with Morgen AI.